On this issue, the other day, a selective students from different colleges assembled at Loya Maidan. At one side, if we are demanding that the examination should be online, we cannot get 1,000 students on Loya Maidan tomorrow. Why they are demanding that the examination be conducted online? Because they do not want to come in groups in colleges, travel by buses. We called only selected representatives, around 25 to 30 from different colleges, mainly from South Goa. They were representatives of these different colleges. फाली जायगाने 1000 भुरगे आमच्यानी देवोवपा जाता, but students are afraid of this pandemic, and that's why they are demanding that the examinations online घेवचे म्हणून. It is very difficult. How can you एक उलयतो preach करतलो एक आणि practice करतलो वेगळे कसं सोपा शकता?
Even you all could have gone to the registrar and
No, we have already seen going personally and meeting them and sending them memorandums is equivalent, and we are in constant touch with the registrar. We are in right from the day this issue came, we are in touch with the registrar.
this could be your, I think, at least third or fourth press conference on this issue.
No. We are there because the issue has got diverted. We wouldn't take this press conference unless and until that ABUP काल जर हे करणं जर जायत नवे नाटक आणि university agreeing to their proposal yesterday late evening till day before yesterday the vice chancellor had a meeting with all the principals of Goa colleges and he said we are strictly on this.
They have accepted that suggestion.
They have sort of accepted. They say the newspaper report at least say the ABUP claims that the registrar has agreed to their suggestion. ABUP claims it. There is no written communication which has come till now. But the moment ABUP claims after meeting them, and I know from sources that the principals have got a message of colleges that examinations could be postponed. So this is एक आंदोलन चलताले भुरग्यांनी एक विषय घेवन ताका मातसो डायवर्ट केला ABUP.
ते पॉसिबल ऑनलाइन करप पॉसिबल असं शक्य असा?
Absolutely, there are so many universities and everybody is conducting now online examinations.
कारण कनेक्टिविटी इशू हा म्हणटात तुम्ही.
कनेक्टिविटी इशू तांणी सेटल करपाक जाय न्ही. दे शूड सांगपाक जाय न्ही तुमकां कनेक्टिविटी एक जर कनेक्टिविटी मेळटा अमक्या जाग्या कडेन इन एडवान्स जर सांगलें जाल्यार भुरगीं त्या जाग्याचेर वचून रावपाक शकता न्ही. आतां कितें जाता ऑनलायन भुरगो प्रत्येक घरा कडेन करता. आतां जर तुमी जर ऑनलायन सांगलें जर से गांवडोंगरीचो भुरगो आसा. गांवडोंगरीचो भुरगो केन्ना गांवडोंगरींतले कितले भुरगे आसतले शिकपी 15-20. पंचायत एरिया इज एंटायरली कनेक्टिविटी आसा. So they may come to these hotspots where it is available and they can answer the examination. There is provision for that. Most of the schools, barring a few exceptions, they have connectivity over there. They can tie up with these schools. You go to a particular school and that would not be, see 50% students will answer from home. The question is only 50% from the rural area and around 20% from the city area. One will have to locate where the connectivity is there.